In this tutorial, I will show you how you can open an account as you purchase the course. By clicking on Sign Up here, you can just open an account without purchasing the course, and there's a separate tutorial for this. To sign up through purchasing the course, click here on Take this course. If you have a coupon, type it here, click on Apply Coupon, and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, if you already opened an account, you can just click here to log in, and if not, fill out the form below to complete the sign up. Put your first, last name, address, phone number, email address, and a password. Then click on Place Order, and it should now take you to this screen. And from there, you can access your account and go to the course and start. Please check your email or check the spam folder to see a confirmation from our system.